Have you ever heard of a company called BlackRock? No? Well, that's kind of the point. Because while everyone talks about Apple, Amazon, and Google, BlackRock quietly owns parts of all of them. This one company manages over $10 trillion, yeah, trillion with a T, and has more influence over the global economy than most governments. So, how did this happen? Where did BlackRock come from? And why does it have so much power? Let's break it down. In the late 1980s, on the bustling streets of Wall Street, one man was dealing with failure, a big one. Larry Fink, a seasoned investment banker at First Boston, had just lost the firm nearly $100 million. That kind of loss? Career-ending for most. But for Larry, it was a wake-up call. He realized something. Wall Street didn't understand risk. So in 1988, alongside 7 other partners, he founded a small firm with one simple but powerful goal: to master risk. That firm was called BlackRock. Now here's where it gets interesting. While other firms were still yelling across trading floors, BlackRock was building something way ahead of its time. A tech platform called Aladdin. No, not the flying carpet guy. This Aladdin was software. Powerful software. It could analyze markets, run stress tests, and manage massive investment portfolios with incredible precision. Today, Aladdin watches over more than $20 trillion in assets, and it's not just BlackRock using it. Big banks, pension funds, even governments rely on it. It's like the Google Maps of money. By the 2000s, BlackRock was growing fast, and in 2009 it made a game-changing move. It bought Barclays Global Investors, and with it, iShares, the biggest collection of ETFs in the world. This one deal basically put BlackRock at the top of the finance food chain. Now it had pieces of everything: tech stocks, oil companies, banks, real estate. If it was investable, BlackRock probably had a stake. But BlackRock doesn't just invest, it advises governments. During the 2008 financial crisis, the U.S. Federal Reserve called BlackRock to help manage bailouts. And again in 2020 during COVID, BlackRock helped the Fed decide which bonds to buy. The government called a private company to help steer the economy. That's not normal. Now, not everyone's a fan of BlackRock. They say it has too much power, that it invests in both oil companies and green energy, and then talks about saving the planet. They also say its huge size lets it quietly influence thousands of companies without anyone noticing. And here's another one. BlackRock's been buying up residential homes in some markets, competing with regular people trying to buy houses. So, yeah, there's controversy. Here's the deal. BlackRock doesn't technically own the $10 trillion it manages. That money belongs to investors, pension funds, retirement accounts, even universities. But because BlackRock manages it, they still have a huge voice in how companies operate, how money moves, and what policies matter. So where is BlackRock headed? It's investing heavily in AI, infrastructure, and sustainability. It wants to be part of how the world rebuilds itself, economically, environmentally, and digitally. But the bigger it grows, the louder the question becomes. They're not just moving money, they're shaping the future. If you found this interesting, drop a comment, give it a like, and hit subscribe for more deep dives like this.